The first thing you need to do when opening the Blackberry Storm is to remove the battery and SIM card from the phone, as being shown here now in the video. Next, using a safe pry tool, lift off the covering over the camera lens. This is held in place with a small bit of glue, so just needs gently lifting off. Next, turn the phone over and using the pry tool again, do the same at the bottom section of the phone right underneath the keys. This time it is clipped in place and should just pop off. Next, using a T6 Torx screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that are underneath the cap you've just removed. Turn the phone over and remove the 4 screws as being shown here now in the video. Once the screws have been removed, use the safe pry tool and run it along the front and back cover of the phone, releasing the clips. There is 3 clips on each side. Once all the clips have been released, you can remove the top cover of the phone. Be careful, however, as it is still connected with the antennae cable, which is just a small cap connection. The antennae cable is connected in the top left part of the phone, and in this case in the video it has just popped off by itself. Here is a close-up of the antennae connector in the top left part of the phone. If it doesn't come off by itself, as it did in the video, you just gently lift this using the safe pry tool. Now we've released the front cover, turn the phone over and remove the back cover. It should easily pull away. Next, using a safe pry tool, lift the pop ribbon connector as being shown here in the video, as that is the connector for the LCD screen. You have now removed the LCD screen and are ready to replace.